Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a central Illinois winter wheat field that has just been harvested. The straw left by the combine is being collected by a classic international harvester baling team, comprised of a 1256 turbo tractor and 430 small square baler. In this video, we'll take a look at the baling equipment's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear all this Red Power farm machinery in action. The International 1256 Turbo Tractor was manufactured by International Harvester from 1967 through 1969 at its Rock Island, Illinois Farmel Works Tractor Factory. This tractor features an International Harvester DT407 turbocharged 6-cylinder 406 cubic inch diesel engine rated at 113 PTO horsepower. The tractor could be ordered with two different types of transmissions. The first is a gear drive with 8 forward and 4 reverse speeds. The second transmission is a torque amplifier partial power shift with 16 forward and 8 reverse speeds. Both the gear drive and torque amplifier 1256 tractor have the capability of traveling from 1.8 miles per hour up to 19.5 miles per hour. The tractor is equipped with a 42-gallon diesel fuel tank and weighed in from the factory at 9,940 pounds and can be field weighted up to 13,580 pounds. The original price tag of a 1256 turbo tractor was $10,718. The 1256 turbo tractor is powering an International 430 small square baler introduced by International Harvester in 1970 and manufactured through 1977 when it was upgraded to the Model 435. The baler was manufactured at International Harvester's Memphis Works, located in Memphis, Tennessee. When the 430 baler was introduced by International Harvester for model year 1970, the big news was the new all-twine knotter. It allowed the baler to switch from sisal to plastic twine, from light-duty to extra heavy-duty twine, from small to large bales, from alfalfa to straw with ease. This 14x18 baler features a 65-inch wide pickup equipped with 80 pickup teeth. It comes standard with a 2-knuckle PTO and can be ordered with an optional 3-knuckle PTO that was standard on the Model 440 featuring 120 pickup teeth. The 430 small square baler features an all-welded plunger that runs at 75 strokes per minute. The International Harvester all-twine 3-phase knotter ties bow-type double diameter knots that are rated at 17% stronger than previous models. This baler weighed in from the Memphis Works factory at 2,686 pounds. The original price tag of the International 430 14x18 small square baler featuring the standard 2-knuckle PTO was $4,072. Customers that chose to order the optional 3-knuckle PTO model would pay $4,442, and the optional hydraulic bale tension control was available for $406. This 430 baler is equipped with a bale chute that manually delivers the bales of straw to a rack wagon. They are physically lifted off the chute and stacked on the wagon. When the wagon is completely full, it will hold 120 14x18 bales. The 430 baler can also be set up to directly drop bales on the ground or be equipped with an international bale thrower that will launch the bales into a high-sided wagon and make baling a one-person operation. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the central Illinois winter wheat field, seeing the classic International Harvester 1256 turbo tractor and 430 small square baler. Do you use International tractors in your farming operation? Have you used or do you still use International balers or other hay and forge equipment? Let me know about them in the comments section below this video. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.